Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back for another video. Today, I got not one, not two, but three right here. But I'm only going to review one because they all three are the same. What we have to unbox today is the Rail Mount Tactical LED Light. And that model is MGL-005U. And as you can see from the box right here, this basically is the rail mount you will mount on any weapon that you have. So you can have that flashlight so you can see what you're aiming at. Also, this right here has a powerful CREE XML U3 LED 500 lumens light. It has steady strobe light mode so you can flash it. A quick release rail mounted and securely mounts without any tools. Let's open this baby up and see what's in it. I don't have my grandpa knife today, so I'm just using a regular knife. Let me just crack. I always do that. I always just smooth. Oh yeah, that's smooth right there. Oh yeah. On the back, as you can see, it uses one CR123A battery, which is included. The battery cannot be charged, and please use the same type of battery when you replace it. So let's hop in here. Let's open this baby up. See what we got. Bam. Nice little package here. There's the package. Nothing else more in there. And yes, it does come with the battery here. Got the instruction manual. As you can see, the instruction manual shows you right here on how to place it on your weapon. Most weapons have the little rail right here. If not, you can add your own rail and just affix it to it that way. Mounting instructions here. You got a classic design. Shows you the different levels of the light. So let's take this baby out. Nice sturdy design. Hard. I like that. Real solid. You know, of course, this is the rail mounted tactical LED light function. Positive right there, negative right there shows you how to set it up. Just unscrew it from here. And as you see, that's where your battery goes. Positive, negative. And this just goes right on right here. Right onto your rails. And then it just clips right in. Easy peasy. No tools needed. Here's your battery right here. I'm gonna insert a video, you know, right here of you guys so you can see the different ways that you can use this. Also, you know, as you know, with any battery, you got a positive and a negative. Pop that right in, just like so. And bingo. Let me turn the light off a little bit so y'all can catch all of this. But once you attach this to your weapon, you know, you have your choice of your different levels of light. As you can see, you can have a flasher. It goes down like so. So once you put it on, it just clamps right on. No tools needed. And this is basically how you control it. Once you put it on, You put this back and forth, and this lets you know whether it's straight light, or you hit it twice, and then it becomes a flasher. However you want to do it. That's off. That's on. And hit it twice like that, and you got a flasher. So this is a nice little light you want to have. Let me open this up. So with any weapon that you have, you definitely want to have this. It helps for you to see what you're aiming at and where you're going, and also it can be used to blind somebody so that they can't see you. You blind them with this light, then you put the, you do what you have to do. You have your business. All right, this is a review of the rail mounted tactical LED light. This right here, this maker is by MCO Light. I will have a link below for you to get this thing right here. Like I said, I just picked up 3 real quick, real nice, real cheap, real affordable. So make sure you guys check the link in the description. It will be there. This is the Guru with another unboxing. I'm going to see you guys on the next one.